everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a review of the sandals that I bought before I went away on holiday. They were actually for my holiday. I actually bought more than 2 pairs. I bought a few other pairs, but they were like just the cheaper ones from Primark, like the little sliders, that sort of thing. And I love them, don't get me wrong, I love them, and I actually lived in them as well while we were away. If you are new to my channel, let me first say I'm Leslie Ann, welcome to my channel. Several members of our family, we went away together on holiday. We went to the Algarve in Portugal, and we haven't been back that long really, just over a week I think now. So before I went, I uploaded a video. I did an unboxing of the 2 sort of more expensive, higher end sandals. Well, they're more expensive for me, they might not be for all of you, but for me they're quite expensive. I wouldn't normally spend that much money on a pair of sandals, but I have been asked to do a review on how I got on with them. I'll just get into the review. So I bought 2 pairs. I bought a pair of Clark sandals. These were £45, okay, and this is what they look like. They're just a little pair of sliders. They are all leather. They are quite flat. They've got a tiny little bit of elevation on the heel here, but other than that they're quite flat. I don't know if this camera's picking it up, but they are, I think it is, they are quite sparkly in a very subtle way. Also, let me pop one down. Also, this leather part here does cover quite a bit of your foot, of the top part of your foot. So when you're walking around, they're very comfortable and they stay on your feet. Very comfy. Let me see if I can show you this. If I try to show you the squidge test, so they're like really squidgy and sort of memory foam and just so comfortable. Might be able to show you the toe as well. Don't know if you can see how my thumbs are sort of like going into the sole of the sandal. I lived and died in these. I literally lived and died in these. I wore these on the way to the airport. You know what it's like in airports. You have to take shoes off these days, or the majority of times you have to slip shoes off. So I wanted something that was really simple. We were flying really early. We had to leave home at 1 o'clock in the morning to go up to the airport, and so it was quite chilly here when we left. So I wanted something I could slip my foot into. It'd still be quite sort of cosy. I know they didn't have any toes or backs, but it was easy to slip on and off, and they still felt as if I had something covering my foot here. It didn't feel too hot to wear these in Portugal, although it was hot there, but I think that's because of the leather, so it's a nice breathable material. When we were at the airport, you know, when you go through like security and put your bag on the little conveyor belt thingy and you walk through the well, I can't do that because I've got a heart monitor here, so I can't do that. They have to sort of take me in through a little gate there, and they have to do like a little hand sort of search thing on me, because where I've got the monitor, it kind of affects the data on it, so they can't do that. And anyway, so the guy just said to me, "Oh, can you take your shoes off?" So I had to do that so I could check my feet. And of course they pop the shoes through like the X-ray thing, don't they? And then he said to me, "Oh, your little sparkly shoes are coming through." So they are, you know, it's a very subtle, it's black, and it's got like a silver sort of shimmer to it. So it's not full in your face sparkle, but it's, you know, they will see you through from day to night time, these. So comfortable. The leather they're just so lovely. They really are soft, comfy. They're just a reliable sandal. I haven't bought a pair of Clark's shoes or sandals for some time now. In fact, I don't remember the last time that I did, to be honest. But these were £45. More than I, as I say, would normally spend. But lovely. They are worth every penny. They're worth more. I'll show you the other pair that I bought at the same time. Okay, this is the other pair I bought at the same time as the Clarks one, and that's these. So they're brown leather. These are from Ravel. As you can see there, they are super soft. The leather is lovely. They have also got, like, not as much as the Clark ones, but they are quite squidgy there. More squidgy here in the heel and the arch going down to like the sole of the foot. I think you can probably see that because I don't know, let me see if I can show you somehow. If I lift that up, you see there's like a little line. You can't feel that inside at all, but it's more padded this end. This side, like at the toe, isn't quite as padded, but they're still very comfy. They are a very tiny wedge. These were £65. I just don't remember when I last paid that for a pair of shoes. I really felt like treating myself, but did I wear them? No. Brand new. Look, they're still brand spanking new. They've still got the you know, the little sticky bit there. I haven't even worn them, which is such a shame, but to be honest, I spent most of my time in either the Clarks sandals, so that speaks volumes for those as to how comfy they were. So it was either in those or a pair. Do you remember I did a Primark haul? But do you remember I bought a pair of really sort of sparkly sliders from Primark? I think they were £6 or £8. Sparkly all over the top here, and they had like little diamantes all around here. I lived in those, so it was either those or the Clarks one, and I just lived in those. All the other shoes I bought and I took with me. Didn't wear one other pair, just two pairs, just wore 2 pairs. So, but you know, I will get somewhere out of these. I mean, we've still got our summer to come. It's a bit of hit and miss at the moment. It's really windy out there. But yeah, haven't worn those, but I'm going to give these, just because I have tried them on and I've walked around the house with them, I would give these probably an 8 out of 10. These, on the other hand, the Clarks ones, 10 out of 10 without doubt. 10 out of 10 without doubt. So comfy, so worth £45. Anyway, I'm just going to do my lipstick of the day because that's something I'm trying to get back into. I used to do it when I first started my channel. I used to share my lipstick of the day, so I'm going to show you which one I'm wearing today. I need to just put my Dame Edna specs on. Right, so this is a Danny Mare Long Lasting Liquid lipstick. How beautiful is that? In the colour is number 18. I'll just show you what it looks like. There we go. Okay, that's the colour, and I'm actually wearing it today. Now, I didn't buy this. Do you know what? One of my lovely subscribers, who isn't just a subscriber, she's become a real friend. We've built up a real friendship since she's been subscribed to my channel, and we talk to each other and we chat. Fran, you know who you are, and she sent me an amazing gift which arrived yesterday. I'll quickly show you because I'm going to do a separate video on it. And she doesn't mind me sharing this information. We chatted about it yesterday and she said, oh no, it's fine, do a video on it. So, you know, I thought I would because she's included so much stuff in this box. Let me just see if I can show you what's in here. It's absolutely jam-packed full of makeup. Oh my goodness me. I just feel so lucky. It's amazing. Thank you, Fran. Oh, and I'm going to be sharing this video with you really soon. But this is my lipstick, and I put it on yesterday. I was just having a quick play, tipping everything out, having a look, putting things on. This lipstick stayed on all day, literally all day. Right then guys, so I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope I've given you a decent review of both pairs of these sandals. As I say, they're both absolutely lovely, but of the two, these are the ones that are easier to wear. These are easy to wear as well, but these, they're just like a no-brainer. Slip your foot in. These, put your foot in, but I did have to like occasionally, because I was only wearing them around the house anyway, so I haven't worn them out, but I'd put my foot in and then I might have to just sort of straighten up these, which was a little bit annoying, but I'm sure once I've worn them a few times and they've moulded to my foot, I'll just be able to shove my foot in. But yeah, I hope I've given you a decent review, and if you have enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. I'd love you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you want to see more of my videos, press the notification bell, and then you'll know when I've done my uploads. Until then, my lovelies, I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.